I just read a cool article on bookofmormoncentral.org called What Do Nephi and Isaiah Say About the End of Times? It's KnoWhy number 46 on their website, and it was published March 3rd, 2016. And I just want to tell you a little bit about it. So to start off, we need to understand that Nephi talked a lot about the future of the world in his teachings in 1st Nephi. In 1st Nephi chapter 14, he talks about the second coming of Jesus Christ. He focuses on his return to the world, the blessings upon those who are righteous, and the punishments and the downfall of those who are wicked on the earth. And then later on in the Book of Mormon, Nephi again revisits all these same ideas, although this time he uses a lot of Isaiah's teachings. And what does Isaiah say in all of these quotations that Nephi is using? Again, he is revisiting all of the same ideas that Nephi talked about. And that can help us to understand why Nephi quotes Isaiah so much. It's because Isaiah was talking about the same things that Nephi talked about. And not only do Isaiah's teachings help us to better understand Nephi and what he is saying in the Book of Mormon, but what Nephi says in the Book of Mormon in his vision can help us to better understand Isaiah. So if both Nephi and Isaiah took the time to talk about the end of days, it's something that we need to understand. And the most important thing is that we're preparing for it. Modern prophets have told us that signs in the Book of Mormon and Bible are already beginning to be fulfilled. Now, what I found interesting about this article is it explains why there's so much Isaiah in the Book of Mormon. It tells us why Nephi spent so much time quoting him. It's because they're talking about the same thing and because they're strengthening each other's testimonies. And that can help me to better understand the Book of Mormon, because then I can see those connections between the different prophecies of the different prophets. And so I want to invite you to also try to find these connections between the teachings of Nephi and Isaiah. And the best way to do that is by reading the Book of Mormon. You can study the teachings of the prophets and see how they support all of the teachings within the Bible. And if you'd like to, you can share these videos with others so that they can learn too.